This is the machine that changed the world forever. The jet engine, a masterpiece of power, precision, and human innovation. It is the heart of every modern aircraft, allowing millions of people to cross oceans, continents, and skies every single day. Inside these massive factories, some of the most advanced machines ever created are born. Each jet engine is worth up to $30 million, and every single one must be perfect. It all begins with an idea. Using powerful computers and advanced engineering software, designers create a digital engine. Every curve is calculated. Every component is optimized. Their goal is simple, yet incredibly difficult. More power, more efficiency, and absolute reliability. But turning a digital vision into reality requires extraordinary precision. At the core of the engine are the turbine blades. These small components operate in temperatures hotter than molten lava. They spin at incredible speeds, under forces that push materials to their absolute limits. To create them, advanced CNC machines cut solid metal with microscopic accuracy. Every millimeter matters. Even the smallest imperfection could mean failure. Jet engines must survive extreme heat, pressure, and stress. That's why engineers develop special materials designed to perform in the harshest environments imaginable. Inside factories like Rolls-Royce, the engine begins to take shape. The compressor is assembled first. Its job is to pull in air and compress it to extremely high pressure. This compressed air then moves into the combustion chamber. Here, fuel is injected and ignited. This controlled explosion releases an enormous amount of energy. The energy flows into the turbine. The turbine spins at thousands of rotations per minute, converting heat into powerful mechanical motion. This motion drives the entire engine. Now, hundreds of precision components come together, carefully assembled, carefully aligned, carefully inspected. Slowly, the engine becomes whole. At facilities like General Electric, every finished engine undergoes strict quality inspections. Engineers check every detail. Because when an aircraft is at 35,000 feet, there is no room for error. Once approved, the engine is transported to the aircraft assembly line, carefully lifted, carefully positioned, and mounted under the wing. At that moment, the aircraft receives its heart. But one final step remains. Testing. The engine is pushed to its limits. It roars to life. Air rushes through it. Fire burns inside it. And it produces enormous thrust. This is raw power, controlled by engineering, controlled by human ingenuity. Finally, the moment arrives. The aircraft moves to the runway. The engines accelerate. Power builds. Speed increases. And suddenly, it lifts off the ground, from a digital design to a flying machine crossing the sky. This is how jet engines power our world. And this is how humans learn to fly.